Hello everybody. Are you ready for another part of Let's Play F.E.A.R. Part 15? My name is Moonmadmalkav and I will be your host in the next video. First, we sound off. So that I can synchronize them. Please subscribe for daily uploads. And welcome to Alice's rescue, I hope.
You're not one of them.
Nope.
I'd pretty much given up on being rescued.
Bam!
Thank God she's okay. Give her a comm link.
Low res necklace. Wait, I also want to do this and I want to do that.
Miss Wade, we're gonna get you out of there, but you're gonna have to move quickly.
Yeah.
I need to get to my dad.
Where is he?
Some kind of classified facility. I've never heard of it. There isn't even a street address, just UTM coordinates. The entrances are all hidden, but I have passcodes.
That's it?
Okay, buddy.
Oh.
Access Wade's laptop and upload the data on that facility.
Oh, this is Wade's
Alright,
room.
the data's been uploaded. First things first, get to the roof. The hello's on the way.
Hello.
Need a helicopter?
Yeah.
Can we drive instead? My car's downstairs in the parking garage.
Why?
What, are you afraid of flying?
Kind of.
Trust me, you're safer in the air.
Yeah, right.
Okay, checkpoints. So now they stop talking and we can listen to the voicemail.
You have 2
Hurry.
new messages.
Let's
Shut
go
up.
get my dad.
No.
First message.
You're not going anywhere but a safe house till this is over.
What?
Guys, shut up.
Don't worry, your father will join you as soon as we take him
I'm missing the
No
voicemail.
way. I'm not going anywhere until I know he's okay.
Somebody's gonna go in there and
Yes,
deal
I'm
with
not
it.
taking any more chances.
It's gonna boil over. You won't do it for the rest of us. Wait for Alice. Next message.
Okay, I didn't get that message.
Go back you. Harlan, you're right. The crazy bitch is determined to blow the site to Kingdom Come. God knows who she thinks is gonna pick up the pieces when her plan backfires. I've had enough of this shit. I plan to be sipping girly drinks out of beach in Tahiti by the time the media gets wind of all this. Talk to you later, buddy.
Okay, that wasn't really interesting at all. You, come with me. So this is why it was so heavily guarded. Because they were protecting Alice Wade. So let's get to the elevator and get to either the... Can you jump? Oh, come on. Don't be like that. Either the chopper or the car. The chopper last time didn't go so well because, okay, wandering around lost gave me a permanent health boost. What did I want to say? Okay, we're back here again. Where do I need to go? You lead me to the elevator. Where are you? There are you. There you are. Okay, so it's not in this room. Get out of my way. It's probably... We'll just keep our hands to the right side of the wall, so we get everywhere. That's also, if you ever get stuck or lost in a maze, put your hand on the right side of the wall or the left side, whatever, and eventually you will be back where you began. That's a life lesson right there. And we got a checkpoint, so that probably means we're on the right track. Who else wants to die? Could you shut up? We're sneaky breaky here. Bum, bum, bum. Nobody's here. Don't mind the flashing flashlight. Are you guys down there? Oh, please let me throw a grenade on top of you. Oh, reflex booster. Bye, tactical thoughts. I'm gonna jump right in. And here's the elevator. I'm dancing, you dick bag. Where are you, Alice? Aw, I can't hear the song anymore. Can you come with me? You kinda scared me over there, but okay.
You don't mess around, do you? Why are all the floors lighting up? Uh-oh. Somebody's pressing the call buttons. Get ready!
Oh shit.
Close! What are you doing?
Oh, everything's clear. There were just 2 enemies.
Here we go again.
I was dead. Come back.
Going now.
Ah crap, used one too many. I think I have enough ammo. Whoa! I got like so many shotgun shells right now. What's next up? Oh, 13.
This sucks.
I'm not gonna get us killed. They don't even want to kill you. Worst case scenario, I got myself killed. Don't worry so much. No, too bad.
You don't have to kill everybody.
Yes, I do.
Sorry I freaked out. I'm just not used to being shot at.
No, me neither.
What's going on? What happened to the power?
Oh no!
I'll wait here.
If the elevator starts working, hold your mic up to the speaker of the elevator, okay? I wanna dance. Oh, we're almost there. It's the floor 15. Should be scared, but I'm not. God damn it. Ah, Alice. You dingo. Fungus. I'm not sorry at all. Whoa, what was that? Is anybody here who wants to dance with me? I got some great dance moves, and I ain't sharing them with you. Okay, sorry. I'm not sorry. Everybody do the skinless dance. Perfect. You qualify for our... Oh god, I'm so sorry. You qualify for the dance competition. So you think you can dance? Nobody can dance better than I can. Hey, you do a slide. Oh damn it! Was I uncomfortably close to you? I ruined my own joke because it took too long. Okay, right behind me. Let's go up here. Oh, okay, that's the end of this chapter. Hope we get to the elevator again. I like the music. Everybody in the comments right now is like, oh, Malkav, you, what the fuck are you doing? I'm sorry, I'm just enjoying myself. That's the way I game. That's how physics work.
There you are.
Finally.
How did we get separated? I remember the power going out in the elevator. Then the next thing I knew, I was arriving on the top floor and you were gone.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Should have a visual on the evac chopper.
Oh my god! This is crazy. I am not waiting here. My dad's in danger.
Well, who didn't see that coming?
Dad will be fine. You're the one I'm worried about. You just need to calm down.
Well, fuck.
Sorry.
This way.
You're the one I'm worried. I'm worried about the pilot of the chopper. Oh crap, bastards. Yeah, she doesn't need to get herself killed. There was one more, I think. You're the one I'm worried about. I'm worried about the... What the fuck? I'm worried about the pilot of that chopper. The birdie. The helio. The hello. The helo. Whatever. Not the Halo. That's an entire another game franchise. Also backstory though it doesn't really get spoken that much in the Halo games, I think. I don't know. I haven't played much of them. I've been playing with Shiny Solus. That's the name of her YouTube channel. Look her up. She has some very fun gameplays. Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh no. Is this where we were like 10 episodes back or something? Oh my god. We're way back here! Are we gonna go down again? Haven't we already been in the sewage system here? Ah, crap. Miss Alice, could you please wait for me? I'm the one with the gun. I can protect you. Yeah. You also need some new legs. Oh, you can. Shut up. Don't hurt me so much with your hands. Your bullets hurt more than your... should hurt more than you hitting me in my face. My glorious, fabulous face. Whoa. Poof! Hello! Is it me you're looking for? Bye. Probably shouldn't check the elevator. Right? Because the elevator is the easy way.
Yes. What do you think you're doing?
Yeah.
I have to know if he's okay.
Look, I'm willing to let you ride along to pick up your father, but you're putting yourself in a lot
Call
of
him
danger
on
right
his
now.
cell phone.
Yeah, well, he said I'd be safe on a helicopter.
Those soldiers are looking for you. If they capture you again, they're going to interrogate you, and believe me, their methods are very unpleasant.
I'll take my chances.
Ah, where the fuck do I need to go?
Stubborn little bitch, isn't she?
She could still hear you though. But whatever. Okay, so we're gonna walk like 15 floors down, I guess. Oh, this is nice carpeting. Feels nice here. Hey, there you are. We need to go down. We need to go... What was that? Anyway, we need to go down. Boop. Let's listen to your voicemail. Fuck your privacy. Oh god, 3. Okay, we're listening.
First message from Harlan Wade. Hey Phil, it's Harlan. I'm pretty sure Genevieve is considering some pretty drastic measures to cover her bony ass.
It will be hard to cover up whatever you're doing with these calls.
If little toadies is going anywhere near the vault. She already caused enough damage thinking she could just march in there and start over from scratch. If she comes to you for backup, remind her that we'd locked that place up for a
Or her
reason.
entire team died, but okay.
Message from Genevieve Aristide. Phil, how are you? It's Genevieve. I haven't seen you at Maurice's lately. We should get together for happy hour once this mess blows over. Speaking of which,
Oh
I
god,
have a favor
yeah.
to ask. I know you and Harlan go back a ways, so I was hoping you could try to reason with him. He refuses to forgive me for sending those poor people into the vault, as though I'm happy about what happened. I made a mistake, but I don't see why everyone else should have to pay for that. Anything you can say to get him to see reason would be appreciated.
Well, you did kill a lot of people by sending them.
Genevieve
Again?
Aristide. Hi, it's Genevieve. I just want to remind you that the Origin facility was a liability long before this situation erupted. I was simply trying to clean up an old mess. I was hoping we could renovate or even repurpose the site, but clearly the risks are unacceptable. I see no alternative but to destroy it completely. If you have a better suggestion, I'd love to hear it. In the meantime, I have a company to
Yeah,
pay.
just lock it down, you know.
And
I'm suspecting some voicemail like an outside number. Sorry, wrong number. End of messages. Seriously, I'm really hoping they put that in this game or in the next games. That's a healthy glow.
Found some more information on Origin. The prototypes were created from a genetic reference. I think that's just a euphemism for somebody's DNA.
Okay.
There's no indication of who the lucky son of a bitch was, but I'm guessing Harlan Wade since he started the
Uh-huh. What are you printing? Oh, print my butt. Eh. Can I get a picture of my butt? No? Okay. Can I do something with you? We need to refill this paper. Everybody. There's a printer on the loose. That's the real terror in this game. It's indestructible. It will copy everything in existence. So humans are no longer needed. The entire world will be made from paper. I'm gonna bet that sci-fi is gonna make a movie about it, like the three-headed shark attack, and now they have the one-headed printer attack. Well, fuck. Ah, they're not as strong as you might think. Oh shit, what was that you're firing? Are we going Star Wars over here? Pew pew. My head's scratchy. Itchy. I was scratching it. Hello. And goodbye. I know I should have put this game on a high difficulty level. So that's unbreakable glass probably. We got 10 medkits again, so we're doing pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, now we gotta be careful. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, shit, it's two of them. Ooh, one shot. I missed. Oh, my shot's in slow-mo stronger or something? We're outside, can we just jump down in slow? Oh shit, I didn't really want to jump down. Ooh. That was close. Sorry. Ah, that's really yellow. Oh, okay, that's how we got up here. Can I tame one of those things to be my carriage? To carry me down and up? You know, like a helicopter or a halo. Hello, like you guys say. There's nothing on this whiteboard. Ah, yes! I don't know how much I dropped back, but I saw it and Are you the printer again? You stopped printing. No, you're not. Ah, crap, I'm lost. But I got a permanent health increase. I'm way back. There's like... Damn it! Well, it's worth it. Like, a little bit. But it's worth it. We're just gonna walk towards where we were. Which was that way. And we probably need to go... Oh, here we fought the drones for the first time. I think you could call them drones. Unmanned aircrafts or something. Oh, you're not a yes, you are. Somehow. That's way safer than the other way. And we're gonna go up. I got a permanent health increaser. It's right now at 170. Yay! Everybody say yay. Yeah. There's like nobody saying yay. I feel alone. Which makes this game more scary, but I still got this song in my head. Oh, we're going on the right track, because that's the sound of you guys. Bad droid. I want to say droid, but that's Star Wars. Yeah, I'm sorry, I was quicker. I'm very sorry. And I saw you right there. What? What the f- What? No. What? But how? And why? And where are we now? When was the... Are we at the... Oh god damn it. Okay, so we're gonna do this all over again. I probably need to fight the droids for the first time, a second time. I really don't know how I died. Yeah, screw you. I'm sorry, I'm just... When I die and the last checkpoint was like a way back, I'm like... Fuck it, you know? No, seriously, fuck you. Okay, let's see if this works though. Just keep running. I mean, we've already done this, so I don't really want to be careful anymore. And now soon we need to jump down for the health increasing stuff. Can we go through here? Oh, okay. Ooh, that was close. I really don't want to die a second time. If I die a second time, I will cut the video. Alright, so now we get the reflex boost again. Oh, my mouse was doing weird. Still don't get why I died though. So like, why? What way did we need to go again? Fuck off. The music has changed. I think I'm backtracking right now. Am I backtracking right now? I am God damn it! Way backtracking. This is where our commander called at us a little bitch. We're gonna walk this whole part. Hey, another time. I don't know where I'm going. I seem to be lost. And I know where I'm going because of the laptop. Thanks, laptop. I'm gonna call you Lappy, but I'll never see you again, so it's no problem. Really, you missed an opportunity here to have like Alma's head be printed out, but that's none of my concern. Not that way, the other way. Ugh, my back hurts from all the gaming I've done today. I guess. I don't know. I don't really have much to do until the 1st of February, and I'm recording this on the 13th of January. So, you know, like, I'm just waiting for my professor to evaluate my thesis, so I can do it, so I can, like, have my diploma, so I can move on to my master's with education, which will be about political identity, no, national identities and political culture. Oh, I'm gonna save here, I don't want to die again. Let's just screw you. Whatever. This is not a save for ending a playthrough. This is because I don't want to die. Who killed me last time? Because I was very unsatisfied by the killing you did. Oh, did you? Wait, are you guys not against the replica forces? Yeah, it's me. That's the reason why you came through the window. What the... yeah. What did you expect to happen? Me not being here? Yeah, but I mean... Oh.
Government officials have confirmed that a U.S. Special Forces Black Hawk helicopter has been shot down. Now, the sound you hear in the background is apparently not a U.S. military helicopter, but rather one belonging to the mysterious assailants responsible for the attack on Armacam headquarters earlier in the evening. Now, only moments ago, we saw what appeared to be tracer fire, followed by several loud explosions. Information on casualties has not yet been released.
Thank you, Bill, for that wonderful statement. Nobody listens to radio anymore. Okay, so we gotta go down, but I first want to go see what's at level 8. Oh, we're already down so many levels. How did we do that? And when did we do that? Oh, sweet. Please be like a secretive area. Nice. They're probably coming behind me right now. That's okay. Whoa. I don't know if there was an FPS lag, but it really looked like you just glitched your way in here. So, 3, that's all there was, right? It's really a weird noise. Okay, please go down all the way. And do not let me go to the 5th floor. I want to go down further. And there's a reflex boost. Thank you. Ah, floor 4. Ah, well, we skipped 3 floors, so that's okay, I guess. Instead, we could have also taken the elevator. And listened to the song some more. Hello, wrong number. Eep. Oh, this is her. Well, you could also fire her. Yeah, you really did add fuel to the fire, though. Boop. There's nobody here. What is there? Oh, huh? Are you setting up an ambush for me? That's exactly what I wanted to say. Ambushes work better if you don't scream to your other teammates, "Stay down!" Boop, boop. So there were like 4. And we got 3 bodies and a lot of blood. Which might be the 4th person. Shit. Oh, whoa, that's a weird switch. I'm just gonna do a Rambo on your ass. Ah. I wanted to slide. Yeah, like that. Indeed, yeah. Yeah, take cover. Throwing a grenade. Might be considering to use some more strategy. But whatever, it's going great so far, so I don't really feel the need to use all that much strategy in this game. Yet. Hmm. Yeah, no way. Oh, I dropped that gun. Wait, so we need to go... Oh, there's a... Yeah, an elevator. Finally. Can we use the elevator for the last 5 floors? We already went down like 10, but... G4, oh, 9. You need to go down 9 or something? That's weird. Why isn't it before the 1? Because it's lower. Whatever. Oh, we're already in the garage. Yeah, so you could just wait. Yeah. But I'm like I'm literally... There she goes. Wait, did he say... I had a black screen, but did he say get to the roof? I really hope he didn't say get to the roof. Could have also used the elevator, I think. Yeah, fuck off. Perhaps you just need to go to the floor, the ground floor, you know, so you can get picked up there. Because we got the coordinates of her father. Damn it! Whoa! Should have totally used a grenade here. Oh crap, ow, that hurt. Also didn't check the fan behind me. Which I probably should have done. No! Ah! Damn. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Yeah, just gonna continue the gameplay until we get out of the garage. It's been 30 minutes right now, but, you know, whatever. I'm just guessing the sound won't fuck up. I need to have dinner soon, I guess. It's already 6 p.m. No! Wow, that was a cool effect. Shooting like a drunk. That did not go as planned at all. God damn it. Okay, a little bit more tactic. No running towards them blindly. Stay back a little bit. And just shoot them from afar. That's what guns are made for in the end. We only got 2 medkits. That's not many. Okay. Okay, that's 2 down, and I thought there were 4. Oh, that was right on my knee. On my balls. I can't see shit. Get. Was that the final enemy in this area? Okay, now to use a grenade on that large group of enemies 1 floor above us. Oh, why are you all here this time? We just have 1 more medkit. So we have to be careful. Except for you. Including you. Okay, this is where we died last time. Because we were stupid and rushed. Which we shouldn't have done. What we learned from it? Oh, they fought the ATC here. Wait, how did she get past this with her car though? Yeah. Oh no, she went out of something else, I think. Okay, 2nd floor. See the shadow on the right? Shit. Okay, no more medkits. This is it. Where is he? Oh shit! Shit, nothing of that. And no mines. Damn it! Please die. Please. Oh crap, please just give up. Come on. Oh, that hurt so much. Oh god damn it. He was really deadly. Let's just hope that was the only enemy left. You are dead, right? Okay. If there could be some medkits somewhere, it would be greatly appreciated. And if there could be no more enemies, I would love there to be no more enemies. Okay, I think it's clear. So let's just check this area a little bit more. I don't save because I think saving too often might bring down the suspense, which is very high at this moment. Okay. Oh, come on. Give me a goddamn checkpoint or a goddamn medkit or a fucking health increasing thing. Anything. Preferably a checkpoint. Oh, Jesus. I really thought they were enemies and I was about to die. Situation. Alice Wade is believed to be en route to Auburn District in search for her father. F.E.A.R. Pointman and technical officer, accompanied by SFODD Operative Holiday, are proceeding to Auburn by helicopter. Hannibal 3 satellite recon shows substantial replica force in the vicinity of the Armacan facility. Baxter Federal's transmitter signal has also been detected in the area. Mission: F.E.A.R. Pointman will first attempt to secure Alice Wade. Once she is in protective custody, team will enter the classified Armacan facility to locate Harlan Wade, her father. God. Could I get a medkit, please? Whoa, shit. Jin, get it over here. I want to hold on to you. You thought I was cute. Okay. Oh, thanks for the 170 HP. I actually really needed it. Damn it. Oh. This is an interesting area. This is more like a hotel complex. It is true. Just ask Jin. She thinks I'm cute. Don't you, Jin? Oh, you look so sad. God damn it. You too. Uh, thank you. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end the episode right here. It's a new area, so it's a great stopping point. This was Let's Play Fear part 15. Sorry, now we're going to save part 16. Alright. I hope you all enjoyed. This was a somewhat longer playthrough, but I want to get to the end of the game in not more than 20 episodes, but I can't make any promises though. Please comment if you have any ideas for what you want me to do, like games, for hints you have about this game, even though by the time you see this I might have already finished this game. For short games you want me to play, please, I'm really looking for short games. And apart from that, please subscribe for daily videos. And my name was Moonmadmalkav, and I wish you the best of days, and I'm really thankful that you watched this video, because I am here to entertain you, and if I did so, I can sleep while looking back at this day with, I lost the word, with pride. See you in the next part. Bye bye.